Manipur observes Sanaroi Singhi Numit in commemoration of the year. The state backs the prestigious Raja Balendra Singh Trophy at Kumalam Park today. State government in association with Manipur State Cooperative Bank distribute loans of 2 crore 35 lakh and 1,000 rupees to 179 persons at Chief Minister's Secretariat. And a common facility for food processing Kama Training Center inaugurated at Mayang Impal Segmaijing Thongam village today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Manipur has observed Sanaroi Singhi Numit organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur at Kumalam Park today. It may be recalled that February 25th has been observed as Sanaroi Singhi Numit in the state after Manipur was crowned the prestigious Raja Balendra Singh Trophy for winning a total of 484 points, 49 gold, 24 silver and 39 bronze medals in the 5th National Games 1999 from February 14 to 25th hosted by Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, IFCD and YAS Minister Lepao Haukeb, Secretary of IAS Bobby Waikom, officials of YAS, eminent personalities in the field of sports, sportspersons from different disciplines of sports participated in the race conducted at the periphery of Kumalam Park to mark today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren gave assurance that additional facilities will be provided to all the sportspersons in the state who are playing a significant role in bringing recognition to the state in the world of sports.
Nasi saliva 30,000 ki capacity se 50,000 capacity yang na ba na madulay da upa crore kaya ki provision ama flood light ki facility han na ba crore kaya ki scheme sama hockey field ki assortment chana na bagi adugumba 100 crore do karai da sakra promotion e phino se phai nice ai mayam da thajaba pige sports kumba education kumba health kumba da corruption changaba katukaran changaba madugi society do Maham Taba society Morgan Kumiman. Sports Kumbasiti Yama transparent Wagalabani, health Kumbasiti, education Kumbasiti, backbone of the society me. I see me am the assurance to get. Adukuma Posaks in the 7 young Rabaduma Parasakana, Manipurgam, the Kalaga, Manipurgi Miang with the Mukta, Sanaruishing with the Mukta, Sanaru Yokan live Mayang with the Kalaga Tarak of Posak at all. Kara is properly utilized the worth of the price. I get minded it out like that. Otherwise, independent agency ma damado ai so the mayam interest ai ticket and many and ngasi matung da deina any association ai mayam da appeal to jise isa sing inau sing mapana sana ba salam dai matam da in advance government khangan biyo in advance later ga paisa do loan wina lor ga sapiyo.
The state government, in collaboration with Manipur State Cooperative Bank, has distributed loans of 2 crore 35 lakh and 1,000 rupees to 179 persons, including a different self-help group today. Speaking at the distribution of loan at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that it is clear that the government is giving loans to the needy who want a means to earn their livelihood. He said that it is the third time the government is distributing loans in association with Manipur State Cooperative Bank. The Chief Minister said that the government will continue to help entrepreneurs who initiate startups instead of waiting for white-collar jobs and also appeal to the loanees to use the loans effectively and wisely. Loan of 1 crore 38 lakh and 34,000 rupees out of the total loan were distributed to 52 individuals who approached the Chief Minister to provide fund to earn their livelihood. It may be mentioned that loans of 84 lakh 60,000 rupees have been given to 29 individuals through Manipur State Cooperative Bank earlier. The government has provided loans to 81 individuals who sought the government assistance at Miyamgi Numit and Chingi Luchingba Singhi Numit so far. The loans were distributed to individuals who want to start piggery farm, dairy farm, set up shops, handloom and handicraft, embroidery, etc.
Government sigi koi target koi mission hai batare Manipur da leiriba laira su hairaba madi haitaba thabak phangdaba mayam si loina white collar job ta moi bu loina ikoina thabak piba ningba thungan bading ngamdabani na koina makoina haiba skilled makoina khangjaba makoina pamjaba sinfamda thabak piraga leiriba individual family singdubu uplift tawwa haibase koigi aduguma target ekogi mission oijaba masigi outcomes na karai dagi na haibabu government na nauna hekla ko pangthok chaba miyam gi numit thaina 100 assembly leibana maram moiraga hayeng tarik kuntaruk pangthok ni miyam gi mis amadi tarik tara khodingi pangthoi ba dugumba singi luchingba amadi civil society leaders singi numit haina numit ini thambasida ekhoi da madugi kana ba yam phangbuduna akoina bank gi kuthang da department kya gi kuthang na koina process it on bani
chief minister na sugumba lol ama pi se yamna nungai ba akhoi gi ok kumba loige na khanjai aina haijaru budagi miyam gi numit chala haijaru budagi bibira pane tabak singje koi chauthok na ba dum singba ngamna ba tawjage na khalle government su yamna asi aphaba khongthang ne haina haijani
ai mana masing tharaga leijabne ada matam khara ahang ba leibisi da ok loijage na khanbadagi loan piye bigi wari se sum tabadagi bank ga sum tana jaraga thajaru bune adu yam thuna pange.
A building for common facility for food processing Kama Training Center was inaugurated and handed over to people of Mayang Imphal, Sekmaijing, Thongam village today. Common facility Kama Training Center was inaugurated by Director of Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development IBSD, Professor Dinabandhu Sahu, and Himalayan Environmental Studies and Chairman of Conservation Organization HESCO Anil Prakash Joshi. The facility building was constructed jointly by HESCO and IBSD under the aegis of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, with an objective to promote and develop food processing units in the state. Speaking on the occasion, Director of IBSD, Professor Dinabandhu Sahu, said that the funding for the construction of building was provided by IBSD and the technical support of the training center will be provided by the HESCO. He said that the facility center will render trainings on food processing of black rice, that is chakhao, fruits, etc. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaujam Shyam Kumar launched a campaign against pollution under the theme Save the Future, Pollution is Controllable at Manipur Pollution Control Board MPCB office, Imphal West DC office complex, Lamphel today. The campaign is being organized by MPCV in connection with the upcoming Tanglei Festival to be held from 2nd to March 2018 at Tanglei Ground, Oinam. Speaking at the chief guest of the inaugural function, Chief Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar hoped that the campaign will be able to create mass awareness regarding ways and means to control the deteriorating natural environment of the state. He said MPCV is working with an objective to control pollution and to protect environmental quality with sustainable development. Taking part in the launching event, Chairman of MPCV, L. Radhakishore, said that the board in an inquiry report found that the pollution is caused mainly by the solid waste along with smoke and noise from the over-polluted vehicles plying in Imphal areas, mainly diesel autos in Khoranban, Kaithel. Stating that around 2,000 autos are plying every day in Imphal city, he said the state government has stopped issuing permit until 31st March 2018. Radhakishore said MPCB will also take up necessary steps to solve the pollution of Nambul River and Loktak Lake. Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar flagged off 2 rallies from the MPCB office as a part of the campaign. One campaign rally comprising of 4 cyclists will tour Imphal, Jiribam and Hailakandi, Assam and return back on same route on 1st March. The second rally, comprising of bikers and cyclists, will cover the routes Lamphel, Moirang, Kakching, Thaubal and Oinam. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipken strongly affirmed that Manipuri women since time immemorial have been playing exemplary roles in the socio-economic and cultural life of Manipur. The minister was addressing at the 8th International Women's Conference IWC 2018 titled Life, a Mystical Journey, held at Vishalakshi Mantab of the Art of Living International Center, Bangalore, held from February 23rd to 25th. Addressing the media during the conference, Chief Minister Nemcha highlighted that women of Manipur have strongly contributed in the economy of the state by citing the example of Koyanban Bazaar, also known as Ima Market, the world's only marketplace run by the women. She also expressed that Manipuri women excel in the field of sports not only in the national level but also in the international level. Dignitaries including IGP Karnataka D. Rupa, former chairman SBI Arundhati Bhattacharya, actor Rani Mukherjee, actor Dr. Jiko Havani, the first female speaker in the Fijian parliament, attended the conference. One-day booth-level workers training program was held at the hall of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya Institute of Agricultural Sciences at Ullao, organized by BJP Nambol Mandal under the aegis of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh today. The training program was held with an objective to raise awareness on how people can avail the benefits of schemes under Rashtriya Prashikshan Abhiyan project. Speaking on the occasion, MP and President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Bhavanand, said, BJP is a political party with its own principle and ethics. He said that the party, which had only 2 MP in the parliament once, is currently in a rule at 19 states of the country as it follows a party ethics. The MP said that the party has done a lot of work for the country, advocating patriotism and nationalism. He said, Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government has been initiating various works for the poor and downtrodden. Bhavanand said that the training program was organized to make the people aware of the schemes introduced by the government. Works taken by 4-year-old NDA government at the center were also talked at the length of the occasion. Several party leaders and workers attended the event.
Decision no worki na leramba Congress party na akoi na si tauraga moina akoi tung na sarkar legidra leridra have akiba mayama ma thado ga ngasi acho bu risk lo na hojik makta su hojik assembly election ga lok sabha ga election ga punna ba yati na tauri basi apapa pora mane basi loina ma political party na basi yam na phaba yam na chuma gungthang ne na loina ma lo na banga tani adu ma no ma ta kanam ta ngasi bo da sa 70 years palava Congress na puthomangam dana sumlaba pungatini.
One-day seminar on National Capital for Local Economics was held at the Court Hall of Manipur University today. The seminar was held in association with Manipur Institute of Technology in connection with the 11th Foundation Day of Biodiversity, Ecology and Environment Network Manipur. Vice Chancellor Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, Principal of MIT Manipur, Professor N. Rajamohan, teachers and students attended the event. Resource persons at the event spoke on environment, women entrepreneurship and benefits of biodiversity during the tactical session of the seminar.
Biodiversities, and they are still to be studied, and some methods should be adopted to shape them, and also we should think that how they can be applied for the best cause of the state and the country as well. The nature has provided this state so many things. Now it is our responsibility to protect them, to preserve them and to make them develop.
Co-founder and CEO of Saigon Health Technology asserted that a group is striving to develop a healthcare platform in the state. Speaking to Impact News, Dr. Tanushree said that doctor-patient ratio in the country is very low in comparison with other developed countries. She said, in such a condition, Saigon Health Technology will put its expertise to facilitate medical health care through mobile and internet with less charges. Tanushree said the patient can consult experienced doctors anytime under Saigon Health Technology. She further stated that the patient will be kept in touch via mobile internet for medical prescriptions, including diet, exercise and other consultations. The doctor stated that such facility will become a boon for a state like Manipur and that providing medical treatment to people at the remotest area of the state will become easier and less expensive. Tanushree said that the Sigen health technology will tie up with state authority concerned, and soon the facility will be made available at the district health centers.
अखोइना गेदर तौरिबा केनो मयाम से डेटा मयाम से सिदगी अखोइना खंगतलबा पॉइंट्स मयाम अमा एनालाइसिस तौननबा एल्गोरिथम मयाम अमा लैरे अखोइगी अदुगी मतुंगिना हुजिकी तुंगदा लाकदबा लैना मयाम असि प्रिडिक्ट तौबा समना हायरबदा चही मंगा नत्रगा तरा लेरकांदा नंगि डायबिटीज नारकपा याय नत्रगा हाइपरटेंशन नारकपा याय हाइबगी अदुगी खुदोंचाबा अमा लैरी रिस्क फैक्टर वांगबा मी मयाम असिदा हाइरिबा लैना मयाम असिदगी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर मयाम अमा अखोइना पीबा अखोइना पिजरिबा केनोसी सॉल्यूशन सी डाइट एक्सरसाइज प्लान्स as well as making healthy lifestyle choices hai tare ko mana nang ngasi gi oina calorie asuk chau natraga na vitamin asuk nang on the wali ba se menkhat pa phai adu gi mathakta exercise ta nang ngasi calorie step lising ma chalu natraga lising ma chalu nang calorie sham burn to gadabni hai bagi sigi plan me ama semdoktuna nungti gi oba advice me ama pp.
Police fired tear gas cell to disperse locals blocking Wabagai Lamkai Road in demand to set up the Kakching district headquarters at the center of the 4 constituencies of the district today. Large number of people of Wabagai Lamkai blocked the road, urging the government to fulfill their demand since 5 this morning. The protesters sent back vehicles heading towards Kakching. Police personnel took representatives of the protester to meet Kakching DC around 10 this morning. After the meeting, the protester withdrew blocking of the road and stays sitting at Wabagai Lamkai Market and later resumed to block the road. The police personnel fired tear gas cell and smoke bombs to disperse the protesters. 16 persons were injured in the incident. Revolutionary People's Front of Manipur observed its 39th Foundation Day as Independent Demand Day today. The program was conducted at the headquarters of the Executive Members, Council Headquarters, Central Bureau and Divisions of the Central Bureau, General Headquarters of the People Liberation Army, Tactical Command, Strategic Command, 252 Mobile Battalion and other PLA units and division and stations across the state. In view of the Foundation Day, hoisting of flag, festoon and star was conducted in collaboration with the people at the 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th and 10th Division under the Central Bureau. Hoisting of the party flag and tribute to the deceased cadres who sacrificed the lives of the motherland marked the main events of the day. Quoting the leader of the Lob Irembam Chowrin said, living in freedom for just a moment is much worth than living 100 years in subjugation, and expressed that the ancestors have adhered to this principle to uplift the Manipur society and advocated the importance of freedom in maintaining a stable society. He further maintained that development in the form of infrastructural activities is not the kind of development the state is aiming for, and opined that Manipur will be a peaceful and harmonious state when the state functions independently with no obligation under anyone. He asserted that the state should stay united in order to achieve the goal of an independent, harmonious and peaceful Manipur. Two different teams led by Narcotic Affairs and the Border NAB destroyed around 100 acres of illegal poppy plantation in 2 sites of Kangpopi district today. The team, including CBN Manipur Rifles IRB, Cycle Police Station, 38 AR Cycle and Imphal East Police personnel destroyed 70 acres of illegal poppy plantation at Denken River in Kangpopi, while the other team destroyed nearly 30 acres of poppy plantation at the hill ranges of Luingjang village in the district. About 700 kgs of opium can be extracted from the destroyed poppy plants and estimated to be worth around 4 crore 90 lakhs rupees. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on Chief Minister's announcement to introduce over 100 schemes from 1st to 15 in connection with completion of 1-year rule of BJP-led government in the state. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen announced that efforts are on to introduce over 100 schemes from 1st March to 15 in connection with the completion of one-year rule of BJP-led government in the state. The Chief Minister was addressing media persons on the sidelines of distribution of loans at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Bireen said the government will hold a fortnight inauguration from 1st March to 15, celebrating its one-year rule in the state. He reiterated that Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Amit Shah will visit the state on March 14 to participate at the celebration and National Science Congress. On the other hand, the Chief Minister said that a meeting of the Chief Ministers of BJP-led state governments, Cabinet Ministers with the Prime Minister will be held in New Delhi on February 28. He said the achievements of the BJP-led state government and holding of elections of all the states at the same time will be discussed during the meeting. Bireen said the visit of Prime Minister to the state will also be confirmed during the meeting.
Masibaugi manungda koina prajaga kusamnaraga koina tawjagiba tawribe achievement sing koi adasu highlight tawbune adugo sidasu koi laiba tarik 1 dagi 1 to 15 inauguration fortnight sahi pharakpa gi 15 days continuously koi inauguration tawbani hanagi tawbiramba loisandana leramba aduga koina laakanda no sarakanda loisanba yauna mafam scheme chamagi mayada koi sangagani madudida tarik 1 dagi na tarik 35 bausida honorable ministers MLA singna mai jaga area khaidonarga sangaba ngakta adugi ama tawge so personally honorable prime minister dai request tawje adamana so is adudi yam phado dai nominee di ha pramai tawni na ma kitang aina 15 da laga 15 gi anniversary si yawbiraga 15 lepiraga 16 gi science congress to inaugurate maga hanbiyo na haiba adamana as parliamentary manga dage mu chatho doine adudi nominee dudi kamai tawni adu anyway nang city ro na harga city ere do hayeng tari kunipan gi meeting sida yi hokuk charaga madu prime minister gi mai confirm tawjarani.
The media workshop on the promotion of organic farming and value chain marketing organized by Editors Guild Manipur concluded at Hotel Classic North AOC today. The workshop was conducted under the funding of a Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation. Officer in charge of the department, K. Jogesh Chandra, spoke at the length on the value chain development of horticulture crops during the workshop. He said the Agriculture Production Marketing Committee Act was passed in the last assembly session. Jogesh Chandra said that the act will overcome the difficulties facing the farmers in finding niche market for agricultural products. He also said that farmers after registration at a national agriculture market will be able to buy and sell products. Media fraternity of local media houses were also honored with prizes for covering works undertaken by Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department.
Manipur da hanadi Agriculture Production Marketing Committee haba APMC exis anade adubu hogiba hojik mamangi assembly da APMC gi bill si pass tawrena khanjai masina exi Manipur da chanaragadi ekhogi farmers singi marketing da lermeba khudongcha da kya si kokani nam haidna government of India na launch tawba national agriculture market haidna sugumba platform amalai national market da masida farmers singna restart toksellaga mana puthoiba pot magi rate magi jaga dugi leriba punmasi hariba e nam hariba national portal sida sangaga akoina masigi laiba yonba sigi thabuk sida khudongchaba phang.
One-day seminar under the theme Role of Women in Establishing a Happy and Healthy Society was held at Thangal Bazar, Dharmashala today. The seminar was organized by Prajapita Brahma Kumari's Ishwarya Vishwavidyalaya, Imphal. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. K. Sobita, Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sumati Bala Ningthaujam, Director of Brahma Kumari's Goragaon, Mumbai, Rajyogini Brahmakumari Falguni, Brahmakumari's Manipur in charge, Rajyogini Brahmakumari Nilima were among those present at the seminar. responsibility to be taken by women folk in facing the issues of the state were resolved during the seminar. The 12th Annual Region Conference for Region X and 10 and 11th of Lions Club International District 322D was held at RIMS Jubilee Hall today. Governor of Lions Club International District 322D, Lion Radha Agarwala, district attended the event as a chief guest. Many new members were inducted during the program by Lion Induction Officer MP Agarwala, District Co-Coordinator, Global Service Team. A conference souvenir was also released during the event. NAPSA representative of Nambol MLA Saikom Chandrakanta clarified that the news that appeared on local dailies today that he, along with Civil Supply Inspector Bishnupur District Singhajit, were involved in a misappropriation of rice for 8 months under NAPSA is baseless. Chandrakanta also warned of filing defamation case if those concerned did not clarify within 24 hours. Speaking to media person that is resident of Nambol Sabal Lekai, Chandrakanta said that rather than extending help when their fair price shops drew rice from the godown, no rice were drawn. He alleged that some individuals are trying to defame him for being an active work of Nambol MLA Lokin in a previous General Assembly election.
MLA की रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अमो एना मतेंग पांगबदु गक्तनी मसिदा आइगी सोई तौरगा पोट लौबर नत्र पिथोकपसु अमत लेते अदुना आइगी तक सीदिब इराल से मसी यामना मरम चादब पोनी अदुना श्री विक्टोरिया डीबीसी आयक मार्क्स करानो थी मतंदा तसेंगबदी अखोई पाउंग चावबा हुजिक नंबोल असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी होगी इलेक्शन थेंगनबी बा अखोई की टे चावबा पाउंग चावबगी मागी लेटर हेता संजनम पुक्रम ग्राम पंचायत की वार्ड नंबर 6-7 की ओइना एपीएस एजेंट ओहेलु हाइदना मांगना इरकपा सेठी दु यावबा दुगुम विषक मोरमे अदु मा मसासी एजेंट ओइबा फंगनबगी दमकता अखोइदा तोंगान बदनाम के अमरुम तौरगा अखोइदा मरु ओइना अटैक तौबनी मसी राजनीति की ओइबा अखोई विंग मखादा अखोई तौ
Raj Medicity celebrated its 14th Foundation Day at its multi-purpose hall today. Speaking at the event, Mahut Minister Thanawjam Shyam Kumar said, private hospitals are integral machinery for smooth functioning of health sector in the state. He said, private hospitals are helping state government in promoting health tourism. Lauding the efforts of employees of the hospital, Shyam Kumar said, Manipuri nurses are known for its dedication not only in the country but also in the overseas. He appealed to the employees to work with dedication and execute their responsibilities. Minister Shyam Kumar also inaugurated a deluxe ward for the BIPs during the occasion.
अकोई मिकोम द सोबे कानो के पुंसी से मांगदोरी अकोई मणिपुरी सिंह जे कुई सने मदुदी सिदा केनो मन नारे सो हयिंग येंगे हांचित येंगे अदि स्वाइदा कोक्सी जो एस फार्मेसी बे संग लगे त कोई केमिकल केमिस्ट दुकान चख लगा मेडिसिन में लगे त साय माके रूट कोस तो अदु थिबि गसी अदुना अचो लेना याम जो हेले तको सनो कोई गिनी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इंटरनेशनल गवर्नमेंट गिनी जेनिंगसो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट गिनी मेडिकल कॉलेज अदन कोई सिजो हॉस्पिटल सो कोई गिनी राजनीति सिजो कोई गिनी तो हॉस्पिटल में कोई गिनी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की मिनिस्टर की लौबी आबा मतेंग दो लौरका सिदा कोइना राजनीति सिदा कोइना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना मिनिस्टर की फंडिंग दो लौरका दा अतोप सिदा कंस्ट्रक्शन को मक मतेंग गुम खुलाई अता दा ले सिसी कर तो सिदा मतेंग दो पांगगदी अखोई की मिनि लाइन दोरी
Dalmia Cement, a new product, a variant of India's leading cement factory, Dalmia Bharat Cement, was launched in Manipur today. Deputy Executive Director of Dalmia Cement Bharat, Sunil Agarwal, launched the new product at Imphal Hotel North AOC. The 50 kg cement bag can be kept for 3 months and its selling price is Rs 570. Prizes were distributed to the position holders in the first district level Maths and English Talent Hunt program organized by Joy Chanda Tutorial Center cum Boarding Lumding today. Prize distribution program was held at the EEO Ground Multipurpose Community Hall of Lamding, Wangjing. Position holders of the talent hunt held on October last year were distributed with cash award along with citations. Joy Chandra Award were also presented to meritorious students on the occasion. Students, guardians and locals of the area attended the event. Members of Iroisemba Youth Development Organization and Iroisemba Apunba Mairapaibi Lob staged a sit-in demanding the state government to hand over the mysterious death of Pravesh Chanam case to the CBI at the earliest at the ground of Iroisemba Youth Development Organization today. People of the area and nearby localities took part in the sit-in. The Manipur government and the UP government had reportedly declared that the case will be transferred to the CBI. However, no consequent action had been taken up till date. People at the protest strongly demanded the UP government of Manipur and the centre to undertake immediate action regarding the same.
ngasi dana si phamduna ma ki awaba asida saruk ya jari be mama ma phabu tapida na moina tumita poloi phoki bi dama akoi thamoi sokna akoi Iroisemba kun mamara paibina ngai jade UP ki chief minister na su CBI da sinaragani haiduna haija hakibani hauju phauba sinabidana Manipur ki parja miyam da utsai duna leribase akoi siya ya janinde aduna atubo matamda langlang ji puthopiduna hairiba Parviski Misiki Matanga Tigapiu Haina Queen Sarkada, Queen Hajeri.
Kha Nongpok Apunba Nupi Loba More organized a one-day legal awareness program at his office today. The program was held in collaboration with the District Legal Services Authority, Chandal, under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Resource person at the event, Advocate K. Dhane, spoke at length on the rights of laborers and how to fight for their rights. President of Kha Nongpok Apunba Nupi Lop More, TH Ibemhal Laima and Vice President of CH Ibecha Laima were among those present at the event. An awareness program on skill development was held at IRDEO Cultural Hall, Wangbal in Thoubal District yesterday. The program was organized by Marketing and Service Extension Center, Imphal, under the aegis of Ministry of Textile Development, Commissioner Handicrafts, Government of India. The program was organized with an objective to raise awareness on the benefits of Hakstakala Shayok Sivir schemes, especially among handicrafts artisans. Speaking at the function, Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Maina urged the artisan to avail the benefits of the scheme. Aadhaar-linked ID cards under Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana were also distributed to the artisan by the MP on the occasion. And in sports news, the first Patsoi Kendra Village Y7A side open football tournament kicked off today at YPC ground Tagial Kolom Laikai. In the first opening match of the tournament, jointly organized by DAFA and YPC, Poison FC Patsoi Part 4 and LLYC Lukram Lerak were drawn 1-1. The lone goal of Patsoi FC and the dead of LLYC were netted by Prithviraj and Manoj respectively. NPP State General Secretary C.H. Bijoy Elias Thoiba in his speech has, as the chief guest, expressed that the tournament was conducted with the aim to encourage and guide the youth in creating a healthy society. Huikap FC clinched the 6th TYPO Trophy Village Open Football Tournament 2018. In the final match of the tournament, organized by Topching Thai Youth Progressive Organization, Huikap FC beat YDC Khoirom by 2-1. In the 24th minute of the first half, W. Punikanta netted the first goal, while S. Dinesh netted the second goal in the 37th minute of the match. The lone goal for the runners-up team was netted by L. Rogen in the 33rd minute of the match. The winner of the tournament, Huikup FC, was awarded with 25,000 cash and a trophy, while the runners-up team was awarded with 20,000 cash and a trophy. 16 football teams took part in the tournament. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur observes Sanaroi Singh Numit in commemoration of the year. The state backs the prestigious Raja Balendra Singh Trophy at Kumalam Park today. State Government Association with Manipur State Cooperative Bank distribute loans of 2 crore 35 lakh and 1,000 rupees to 179 persons at Chief Minister's Secretariat. And a common facility for food processing cum training center inaugurated at Mayang Impal Segmai Jing Thongam village.